Hello, in today's video we are talking about how to use name range. Name range, you can see we have a range of cells here with titles, column header student, position in column header B1, allowance in column header C1, and faculty in column header D1. Let's say we want to create a range of cells, a name range for this range of cells. That is from Irene to Lindsay. That's for the name. What you have to do is to select the range of cells and get to the name box and create a name for it, a meaningful name. Let's say I'll name this student. Enter. And that's it. The name range has been created. Now, how does this work? Let's say I have a lot of worksheets here. Let's get to the first worksheet, and I would want to get back to my cell that has the name range student. I don't have to keep going to every worksheet to look for it, whether it's there or not. All I have to do is to click on the name box, drop down menu, click on student, and that takes me right to my worksheet. Similarly, if I want to create a different name range for position, let's drag it, select the range of cells, and I'm going to use a long cut method instead of the shortcut method. So this time around, you're not going to the name box, you're rather going to your formula bar. So go to your formula tab, click on your formula tab and look for name manager under define names. Click on name manager, click on edit, and then it gives you the name students. We can change this name to position. Okay, we select OK and close it. Now if we are there and we want to go to our position name range, student is no longer here, we click on it and that brings us here. Now notice when I clicked on position, it brought me back to the same name range as student. Why was it so? It was so because when we went to name manager, we did not delete it and we did not add a new one. To add a new one, you can simply select the range of cells like we selected again. Select the range of cells. Okay, get to your name manager and click on new. And this time around, it asks you, do you want to have it in the workbook? Yes. And we give the name, let's say position 2. Okay. Position 2. Okay. Now, if we are in a different worksheet and we click on position 2, it brings us highlighting the position. What if we want to delete our name range? All we have to do is to click on the name manager, select all the range, all the data you have in there, and click on delete. It asks you, are you sure you want to delete it? Okay, close it. And you can see we have no name range here anymore. Now let's move it a step further. What if we want to create a name range for multiple columns? How do we go about it? Select the range of cells. So we have multiple columns selected here. Now this time around, do not go to name manager, go to create from selection. When you create on it, you click on it. Do you want to have it for the top row or the left row? In my scenario, I would want to have it in the top row. So I uncheck this and click top row. But make sure there is no space in your cells. For example, if your title has position space for all or position space before a text, is going to create a problem. So in my scenario, there is no space. We have students, no space, position, no space, allowance, no space, faculty, no space. Okay. And that's it. When we come here, we have all four name ranges. So if we are here and we are in a different cell and we want to go to our faculty, you click on it and that brings you right there. That's it for this video. We can conclude by saying the name range is a feature in Excel that allows you to assign a meaningful name to a specific cell or range of cells. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.